Okay, I'm back. There's one thing I forgot to tell you about. Um, there's one feature I forgot to tell you about. I don't know how far in advance you will let students schedule lessons. It's currently no limit, so they could schedule them out as far as they need to, which presents a problem for recurring lessons. So if you have a lesson that is recurring. Let me just log out and show you what I'm talking about. Log back in as myself. And pull up the pull up the scheduled lessons screen that we had up before. You'll see this one for Eden at, for example, at 9:10, at 12:30. If we, well, it is marked as complete, so let's pick a different one. This one here on 9:16 for Eden is marked is not completed, but it's recurring. So when it is marked complete, it'll schedule another one for 7 days later, which would be the 23rd at 12:30. So let's just go create a lesson for somebody else for the 23rd at 12:30, and I'll show you what happens. 23rd, 12:30. Okay, here we go. The 23rd at 12:30. Let's create a lesson by, who was that? I don't remember the darn. That was, Paula was the trainer. Okay. So, Paula's the trainer? I guess it doesn't matter. Yeah, it does matter. It has to be the same trainer in order to be a conflict, right? So, student, some other student, Jim. Legacy. So we just save that as a lesson. So the 23rd at 12:30, we got a lesson scheduled for Jim by Paula. And here it is, 23rd, 12:30. So now let's mark the one on the 16th complete here by clicking this little checkbox. And you see the little blue line goes across. That means it's doing something. It created another lesson on the 23rd at 12:30 for Eden. But I hope you can see this. It's highlighted in red. It's kind of a light red. Maybe it should be darker. But anyway, that indicates there's a conflict. You got a recurring lesson scheduled for Eden at 12:30 on the 23rd, and another lesson for Jim, both by Paula on the 23rd at 12:30. So it's just identifying a conflict. So if you run across a conflict like that, I think I will darken that some because you can hardly see that, I think. Anyway, so when you pull up your lessons for the month or week or day or whatever, and you see one highlighted in red, that's what that means. There's a conflict, and it's two lessons. You need to do something about it, contact one of them and reschedule it or whatever. So anyway, I wanted to show you that. Okay, that's the whole point of this third little video here. So I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.